everybody.
Hi, everybody.
In the last video we were
I can't see myself.
In the last video we were making the chocolate chip cookies. And then we put them in the in the oven, and now it's time to take them out.
Eat some ice cream. 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 Eat some ice cream.
It's out. We could just leave it like this, but we're gonna match it in groups. So we're just gonna let it cool for a little bit. Just leave it like that. It's gonna work.
Eat some ice cream. Eat some ice cream. Eat some ice cream.
No, we're letting it cool.
Eat some ice cream. Eat some ice cream. Ow! Eat some ice cream. Eat some. Eat some ice cream.
It's okay, don't let it bother cream.
Oh, okay.
I said the same thing.
Oh, now we're gonna put the chocolate ice cream mix. And how much scoops of the water?
One scoop. Wait, can I mix it?
I'm not gonna mix it.
Oh, can I mix it?
A ver, a mi cuarto. Sí, te no quieres. Te voy a dar al bebé
This is my crazy mother.
Oops, mommy, I messed it up again. No, the water. Sorry.
You messed up the what? Did you even?
Wait, is that how much it needs, or it needs more?
Just keep moving.
Can I do it?
I think it needs more.
Can I do it? We're going to mix all of it.
I know. I'm trying to make it good, but it's not gonna. Se va a pasar. We have to do it quick. Because if we don't hurry up, it's gonna get sticky. It might be muy aguado. So.
Some of that turned into that. Okay.
Baby mother.
Now I'm just gonna take it apart if it was next to each other.
Hey, boo.
Stop.
So I'm gonna take all of this apart.
Stop, Jaden.
I might break some, but that's okay.
And then you just put
That's
this
not
on
okay.
top of it.
Oh, can I put on top of it?
Sure, let me
A
just.
little.
Let me break this.
Pero yo creo que ya sabía yo que me habías dicho.
Don't worry, I'm not mixing.
Okay, done.
Let me see.
Wait. You know how to do it, right?
Yeah.
Just
if
flip
you
one upside down and then grab the other one and put it like that as a sandwich.
Okay. Sandwich. Like this much, right?
Yeah, but if it needs more, then
Flip it upside down.
flip it upside down and then pour it. And then grab the other one and put it on top. If it needs more, then it needs more. That needs more.
Can't wait till it's Saturday. Like that?
Teeny bit.
Teeny bit.
Teeny bit.
Teeny bit.
De esos, ajá, y de los otros de guardar
Yeah,
lo
that's good.
mejor para ver si para.
Now grab one of them and put it on top.
Sí, manito. Órale, manito.
Kim!
Órale, cuídate, manito. Voy a darle de comer acá al Gregorio. Ándale.
So, you're just gonna do that to all of them, got it?
Órale, manito, bye.
KK.
Jaden, where are you? Jaden!
Ay.
Jaden! Stop the look!
The door.
Open. Stop! Open. Stop! Open. Stop! Open. Come on, let's go. Stop! Open, come on, let's go. Stop! Come on.
God lordy.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
stuck in there. Forever. Imagine Lilas came. Yeah, get out of there. Do it. We're going on a field trip. No, we're not. No, me. Oh. And Saturday, that means tomorrow. We're going to pick, What's half of 12? 6, right? And what's half of 6? 3. So you're going to have 3 and I'm going to have 3. What? What? Because we need 2 of them to put it as a sandwich. And the how do you call it? And there's the half of 12 is 6. Is there more chocolate? Can we eat them? No, just put it on top. Oh. Jaden, what do you? Oh, Abby. Now the yogurt. Jaden grabbed a yogurt and then he's playing with it now.
¿De dónde la agarró?
I have no idea. That was so funny. What's up, Jaden? Ooh, you're in trouble. Is that upside down?
Betsy, bring me more napkins, please.
Okay.
Because Jaden.
Do the butt crack. Do the butt crack. Do it the butt crack. Now put some on top of it. Wait, can I do it since you did the middle? Okay. Not like that. That looks horrible. Just kidding. That looks beautiful.
Does it good?
We don't know yet. How much are we going to eat? 3. Wait, 3? But you're gonna have.
Yeah, come on.
But there's not 3. Come on. 3. Come on. Oh, we'll rip it in half, right? Sure. Let me just rip it a little bit more. Oh yeah, here and here, these 2. Don't worry, I go crazy with chocolate. Sorry about that. Now the rest. Can I eat this one? Just, yeah. Eat 2, and then I eat 2, and then we put the one. You good? You can only eat 1 more, and then that's it. This one's stuck to the ground. Okay. Bye. Bye.